Doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to embed YouTube videos on Canva presentations. The first thing you want to do after creating your presentation or selecting your presentation page, as you can see right here, you're going to open YouTube. And from there, you're going to select the video that you would like to embed. So let's say I would like to embed this video. All I would need to do is tap on the three dots. Then I'm going to select share, and you're going to copy the video URL. So you're going to copy the video URL. After you have done that, you're going to go back into Canva, tap on text from the left hand menu option, select any text style. Then after doing that, you can simply drag the text to the top of the page, then tap on the three dots, select link, paste in the YouTube video link. Then you're going to tap on the screen. Then you're going to see display mode. You're going to tap on that and you're going to select embed. After you have selected embed, you can see that the video has now appeared and it is now embedded. So all you need to do is simply adjust the size to your liking. So you can simply pull on the end of the video, as you can see right here. Now that you have embedded it, you will now be able to continue adding more stuff to your presentation. And once you're finished, you'll be able to tap on present. And from there, you'll be able to present your presentation or share your presentation with a YouTube video. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.